Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add transitions in Premiere Pro. So if you want to add cool transitions in Premiere Pro, then I will tell you that how to do this in this video. So before starting the video, I want you guys to like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have opened up my Premiere Pro, and on the timeline I have imported these two videos here. Okay, so these are two separate videos. So now if I wanted to add the transition in here, like if when video is shifted from one video to the second video, there should be a cool transition in between them. So how I can actually add the transition in between them? So it's very simple here. Make sure that you are into the effects option here, and on the right side you can see this multiple different options here, and here in the end there is a folder named video transitions. Just expand this and then you have different type of transitions here: 3D motion, dissolve, immerse. So let's suppose that if I wanted to add the slide transition, I will just expand the slide option here, and then you have like multiple slide transitions here. So I will just add push transition here. So what you will do here is basically you will just drag this transition and drop this transition here. Sorry, here maybe I think this should be gone here. Okay, I think it's here. Yes, if we just expand it a little bit, so here you can see that we have this push transition here. Okay, so now when we play this video here,
Still flipping. Enough of that.
see that we
In
have
quarter
this
one.
cool transition. But what if I wanted to start this transition like in between of two clips? So what you can do here is you can just tap on the transition here, and when you tap on the transition here, make sure you are into this effects control panel here, and then you will tap on transition, and then the properties of that specific transition will open up here. So what you will do is that you have to set the alignment. So set this to the center. Okay, so now you can see that the transition is at center.
Still flipping. Enough of that.
So
In quarter one.
the next thing that you can do is that you can basically increase the speed of transition here. So just decrease the transition here like this one.
Enough of that. In
So
quarter
now
one.
you can see that the speed has been increased. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.